Hi, here is the Konica ZR 38W. It's overall like this, and the bottom part here is the battery compartment. So you just twist anti-clockwise to open it. Okay, and it using 2CR5 battery. So you just put it like this and put it back, then turn clockwise to lock it. Next step is to press it here, then it will power. If you don't want, you want off it, then press again. Then next, open the back cover to load the film. So the battery part, the film part is at here, the left side. So we need to slide from the bottom to the top like that in order to let the motor fit into the center point of the canister. Yep. Okay. Then the film tip, pull until here. Actually, normally like the point should it will have an indicator to show you whether you need to pull until where. So yeah, you see here got a line at both sides. So we just pull until here, and then we make sure that the film canister is flat like this. Okay, then we just close it and we press the power button in order to offload. Yeah. So when here show figure 1, which means that you can start shooting right now. Here is the zoom button and here is the shutter button. Here is the viewfinder. Okay, so at the center point of the viewfinder, you will find out it had the dot at the middle point. So you just use that thing to aim as an indicator to aim whatever you want to focus and half press the shutter. Okay, so inside also have the indicator light. If it light up like this, then it means that it's focused, then you just shoot it. While if it's blinking, which means that it can't focus because as here is too near. Yep. And when inside have the red light, which means that it will trigger the flash, like that. Yeah. And here is the zoom button. When you click it, it will zoom. Then you click again, it will zoom back. Yeah. Like zoom in and zoom out. Click again. Yeah. And here is the mode. Is for the flash mode. On the flash, off the flash. This one is timer. And this one is infinity focus, off the flash. And this one is macro mode and with flash. This one is fully auto. And this is the snap mode. Okay, so you just shoot it, then like that. Snap mode is like it is straight out of focus. So you just shoot it. It will like a free focus. So it's when your object is maybe like 1.5 meter above, then you just use that mode and keep snap it. It no need autofocus at all. As normally if you without this mode, you need to half press in order to let it focus and shoot. And if it's snap mode, it will just straight shoot it. Yeah. So overall it's like this, and when you shoot finish, it will auto rewind. So yeah, no worry in using.